Today we're going to go over the updated mobile app. This can be accessed by clicking NBS mobile app on the portal. This mobile app will work on any browser and/or any device, and functions nearly the same as the previous mobile app with a few key differences. We'll begin by downloading a client, and this works exactly as before and filling in their information, so I will fast forward through this section. So now with the piece of equipment calibrated, you'll notice three new tabs, which are Download Local Database, Load Local Database, and Wipe Local Database. The app functions exactly before, where you can close the app, come back the next day, and your pieces of equipment will still be there. The difference is now you can share your local database with other technicians and/or send it in, or just save it for peace of mind. And if something catastrophic goes wrong, you'll always have that save point to go off of. The reason why you might wipe local database would be if you brought somebody else's local database in and then you did some work for them and maybe uploaded it for them. The person who sent you their local database would get the credit when you upload it. So after you're done working on somebody else's local database, make sure to wipe it so then it'll go back to giving you credit. And also note when you load somebody else's database that it'll wipe your current database out before it loads theirs. Now we'll go back to the portal and go to New Balance and Scales Reports. In here, this is a list of all of the calibration reports made on the mobile app. If you click the PDF, you can see the calibration certificate that we just made. Now I'm going to showcase wiping your local database. So you click Wipe and it'll warn you. And after you click it, it'll warn you again. So it clears everything out. So now we'll go back into the mobile app. And as you can see when I click load, there'll be nothing there, but then we'll load our local database again that we saved earlier. And as you can see, now that we go back into load, the previous client that we had in there shows up. Now we're calibrating a new piece of equipment, and as you can see, I imported a weight set there. And for administration in the maintenance section of NBS Online, if after a technician uses a weight set, they can search for it and it'll show up as needing to be purged. So here I'll search. And as you can see, the weight set that was used is in the NBS Review weight set history. So next we're going to show a change to the calibration reports. So here I'm just entering more or less dummy data aside from the serial number. With that done, you'll notice that the weight set used is now a drop-down, a searchable drop-down, where you can search for the weight set, and then it'll automatically populate the next due date on there as well. And if everything is entered correctly, it'll show up in the NBS Review weight set maintenance table. Again, if there are any changes needed on this was a big release, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much. Here you can see the weight set is also to be purged.